Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to unwrap this too. I'm going to do the double unboxing for you guys to check it out. This one I believe is the Supreme Champion Chrome short sleeve top. Has the gray color, size medium. Retail price on this one was like $48, $10 shipping fee. And then the tax on this is $4.20. So the total damage for the t-shirt is $62.20. And then the one on the left hand side, this one is the Supreme Champion Chrome Crewneck. Color is the gold color. Size is in medium. Retails $148. Shipping fee is $10, and then the sales tax on that was like $12.95. So the total on this one is $170.95. So let's go ahead and unwrap the t-shirt first. So it always comes with this nice shopping bag with the red box logo. Wow, nice. I got the red box logo with the Sakitani La Norahiro decals on with the other two. So this is a sticker pack, which is nice. Wow, look at that. There's your Champion athletic apparel, medium. This is 100% cotton. Made in Nicaragua. This is your wash instruction. The RN number is 48314. Let's go ahead and open this up. So here is the sticker. Be sure to look for this so you guys know how to do a legit check. Champion. You got the copy, you got the registered trademark. Chrome short sleeve top. And then there is your barcode with the numbers. And be sure this is the Spring Summer 19 KN4. And then size medium. Come with this nice Supreme Ziploc bag. Is pretty thick. It's not thin. If you guys want to do the legit check, okay. And then this red box logo should be the same size as a sticker or the decal. And below the RN number, you got the red box logo right there. So it is not actual chrome, just they make it look like it's got chrome on the upper part, and also on the upper section of the Champion logo right here. It is not chrome, okay? Just making it look like it's chrome. Got the registered trademark right here. And below the logo, you got the Champion on the left hand side with the registered trademark. And then on the right hand side, you got the registered trademark and then TM and 2019. And toward the bottom, you got this athletic label right here. It says it takes a little more to make a champion. And then on the left hand side, got the champion logo, champion, and then red box logo. This is your size medium label right there. Machine wash warm with the light color, dumble, dry, low, only non-chlorine bleach. We need it. Do not iron decoration. So on the back it is plain, but on the left hand side of the sleeve you got the champion logo. I think this is iron on. Yep. So it's not stitch on. And then on the right hand sleeve it's just blank. Okay. So let's go ahead and check on the crew neck real quick. You got this Supreme shopping bag again. So it seems like I got the, let me check, is that the same? Yeah, it's exactly the same sticker pack. Let's go ahead and check out this Ziploc bag. It is much bigger, okay? Wow, look at that. Look at that Supreme's box logo. It's gigantic. Okay. You got this nice label right here. Champion, authentic, medium, exclusive for Supreme. Made in Cambodia. And around the back of the neck, you got the champion going across it. Then here's your sticker, champion chrome crew neck. And this one is a spring summer 19 SW for sweater. And then 10 gold color size medium. That is the barcode with the number. Again, the Ziploc bag is pretty thick. So it is pretty heavy, okay? So you got the same thing, Supreme. And then on the bottom, you got the champion logo. And then champion. And then registered trademark in 2019. Got the same athletic label on the left hand side. And on the hem it is ripped. And inside the fleece material, there is your wash tag. Be sure to examine this so you know how to check this yours is legit or not. It's 80% cotton, 20% polyester. It says size medium there as well. Here's your wash tag and also the care instruction. So there's no pouch pockets at all, or side pocket. And you got the Champion logo toward the cuff area. Not sure why it's not. Sorry about the lighting. It looks kind of weird. And then this is what it look like on the back. So nothing on the right hand sleeve. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to stay tuned for the try on body fit. Be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop in your comments below. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.